Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Arteza Metallic Acrylic Paint is probably one of the most sought-after metallic acrylic paints in the market, offering a stunning range of colors and a luxurious metallic finish that elevates any artistic project, from canvases and wood to ceramics and more. In this video, we will explore its features, uses, and help you decide if it's the right choice for your creative journey. Number 5. Arteza Metallic Acrylic Paint Set. Unleash your creativity with this vibrant set of metallic acrylic paints. It's perfect for artists of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Experience a dazzling array of colors, including Aztec Gold, Pearl Glacier Blue, and Pearl Hot Pink. These rich shades will inspire your next masterpiece. They offer smooth, highly pigmented colors that produce true, consistent shades. Your artwork will retain its vibrancy for years to come. These paints are ACMI certified non-toxic, ensuring safe use for everyone. Create without worry. At Arteza, we're passionate about art and creating products that inspire. We believe everyone deserves access to high-quality art supplies. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this paint set is perfect for all ages and skill levels. Explore your artistic potential. What we like. It boasts an extensive range of colors. The pigments are rich and long-lasting. If you need a wide variety of shades for your artwork, this is the set for you. What people say. They are very smooth and the metallics are just stunning. Spreads like oil, dries like acrylic. The quality of this paint outstanding for the low price. The colors are so vibrant and you definitely can tell they are metallic. The sheen they produce is awesome. They work well in combination with watercolors, oil pastels, or colored pencils. They are easy to use and certainly are for beginners. Number 4. Arteza Metallic Acrylic Paint Set. Unleash your creativity with this vibrant set of metallic acrylic paints. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. These paints feature a dazzling array of colors, from Aztec Gold to Pearl Glacier Blue. Let your imagination run wild. Experience smooth, highly pigmented colors that deliver true, consistent shades. They're ideal for canvas painting and won't fade over time. These paints are ACMI certified non-toxic, ensuring safe and worry-free artistic expression for everyone. At Arteza, we're passionate about creating inspiring art supplies. We believe art should be accessible to all. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this set provides everything you need to create beautiful artwork. Explore your artistic potential. What we like. This set offers a curated selection of colors perfect for various projects. Each color is incredibly vibrant and true to its shade. If you're starting out or prefer a smaller, more manageable collection, this is ideal. What people say. I only started painting a year ago or so, and am beginning to learn the difference between types and qualities of paint. These are amazing. I've never had much luck with metallic paints, but still love them, so ordered this set. I played around with them yesterday and I'm impressed with the paint's thickness and the color's intensity. I mixed several colors with non-metallic paint, and the shine still came through. This is a professional quality paint set. I use it to splash on top of matte acrylic paintings. The colors are vibrant, diverse, and of a high standard. The paint quality from Arteza is outstanding. The smooth texture and high pigment content make it easy for me to complete projects quickly and professionally. Number 3. Arteza Metallic Gouache Paint Set. Unleash your creativity with this vibrant set of metallic gouache paints. It's perfect for adding shimmer and depth to your artwork. These paints offer rich, vibrant metallic hues. Experiment and blend to create your own unique color mixes. The shimmery, pearlescent colors add a touch of sparkle and luminosity to any project. Watch your artwork come alive. Its high opacity is great for layering, allowing you to create depth and texture. It's also resistant to cracking and fading. It's completely toxin-free, making it safe for artists of all ages and skill levels. Create without worry. This versatile paint is suitable for various techniques, from layering and blending to fine details. Explore its endless possibilities. What we like. This set provides a unique range of shimmery colors. The high opacity allows for easy layering and blending. If you enjoy the luminous effect of gouache and want to experiment with metallics, this is perfect for you. What people say. The tubes open and close easily and the paints are highly opaque, as expected, with good metallic look. They have a beautiful sheen and a great opacity. The colors were a vibrant addition to my watercolor painting. They were very opaque and made the image pop. Number 2. Arteza Acrylic Pouring Paint Set. Get ready to unleash your creativity with our new acrylic pouring paint set. It's pre-mixed and ready to use, so you can start creating right away. This high-flow paint has the perfect pouring medium already mixed in. No need for extra preparation, just pour and create. Unleash your inner artist with this set of vibrant metallic colors. They're perfect for adding a touch of shimmer and shine to your artwork. It works on a variety of surfaces including glass, ceramics, wood, rocks, and canvas. The possibilities are endless. At Arteza, we're passionate about creating art supplies that inspire. We believe everyone deserves access to high-quality materials. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, it's perfect for all ages and skill levels. Explore your creativity today. What we like. It's pre-mixed and ready for pouring techniques. The metallic colors create stunning effects. If you love acrylic pouring and want vibrant metallic results without the prep work, this set is your best choice. What people say. Great flow ability and wonderful colors. Best ready-to-pour paint ever bought. The consistency of mixing it yourself doesn't always work out the way you'd like. This is the best alternative. I am very impressed with the beautiful colors and sheen while I'm pouring. They maintain the rich color even when it dries. Number 1. Arteza Pearlescent Acrylic Paint. Unleash your creativity with this stunning set of pearlescent acrylic paints. The vibrant colors are perfect for any project, from canvases to crafts. These 14 pearlescent shades blend effortlessly, thanks to their high pigment concentration. Watch them transform your artwork. The mica crystals give it a unique, pearlescent glow that changes with the light. It's like having 1,000 tiny stars in your paint palette. It's a water-based, non-toxic formula, making it safe for artists of all ages and skill levels. Create beautiful art without worry. Arteza is passionate about providing high-quality art supplies that inspire. It's designed to help you bring your artistic vision to life. From paper and canvas to wood and glass, it's versatile enough for any surface. Let your imagination run wild. What we like. This set offers a unique pearlescent finish. The colors shift beautifully in different lights. If you're looking for a quick-drying paint with a luminous, pearlescent effect, this is the one for you. What people say. It works more as a translucent and gives a lovely quality to my ceramic pieces that others ask how the effect was achieved. Using different base colors under this paint will change the effects of the same color. Mixes well and really took my creativity up a notch. The colors are opaque and gorgeous. The selection of colors are wonderful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.